Researching topics sounds really boring, but Morning Fame makes it really easy, really simple, and actually kind of fun. Whew. The sun! The sun! It's been the longest winter ever in the history of winters. Spring! We've been wearing a springy shirt. I feel like I'm wearing a grandma shirt. Let me just tap my bow. Hey, what's up? This is Meredith. Should I turn this? Whoop, hello. Eyes up here. Where should I sit? You get crap everywhere. Abe Lincoln famously said, give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I'll spend the first 4 hours sharpening my axe. So I like to think, give me 6 hours to create a video and I'll spend the first 4 doing keyword research, although it does take me more than 2 hours to create the actual video. I mean, Abe Lincoln's quote is not exactly like a one-to-one analogy for creating videos, but if you're spending 6 hours shooting, editing, and publishing a video and 0 time at all on keyword research, then it's really just a shot in the dark as far as what you name your video for the title, what you put in the description, and the tags. You're just really swinging the axe and hoping to hit something. And let's be honest, that sounds dangerous. Recently, I found out about this new thing called Morning Fame, and it's kind of blowing my mind. I heard about Morning Fame for the first time just a few months ago, and basically what it is, this is their tagline, it's smarter analytics for YouTube. Analytics can be kind of a bear to digest sometimes, especially if you're a visual person like me. And one of the things that always bothered me about the analytics in YouTube is you can log in and you can see your most popular videos and all of those in-depth stuff, stats and stuff, but there was no easy way to just kind of get this idea or this sense of how your YouTube channel was doing. You know, like how are your newest videos performing and what are the performance metrics and how do they compare to the rest of your videos and your channel overall. And that is what Morning Fame is brilliant at. You can see that it breaks things down, but it gives you this visual indication of what it all means. Like, look at this, I have Z's here and a green check mark and a gold medal. Down at the bottom, there's a key for what these visual cues actually mean. The Z's are not a good thing, I can tell you that. The other thing that Morning Fame makes really interesting is planning new videos and researching your topics. Researching topics sounds really boring, but Morning Fame makes it really easy, really simple, and actually kind of fun. With the keyword planning tool, you go step by step and you actually learn what's going on and why it takes you down the paths that you go. You can either put in a new topic idea and start researching that, or it gives you some clues about which of your videos have done well. So you might consider making more videos that are related to those ones because they're already performing well on your channel. It also shows you other channels that might relate to yours and how your videos might perform compared to them. So I wanna dive onto the computer. In this case, let's research the topic for the video that I'm creating right now, the one that you're watching. And actually, Nick Nimmin has a great video walking through this process, so I'm not gonna dive into it here, but what's awesome is that you can save all of your research once you get to that 4th stage, and when you're ready to upload your video, you have it all right there. You can copy and paste it directly into YouTube. And my favorite thing about Morning Fame, like by far, is that 24 hours after you publish your video, they send you an automatic email with like a report of how that video is doing. And this is the best part. In that email, it shows you what your thumbnail looks like compared to the other thumbnails for videos related to the same topic. Again, if you're a visual person like me, this is really interesting and it makes it really fun, and they just send it to you automatically. And then every Friday you get a channel report that kind of tells you how your channel's been doing, and it just really keeps you interested and engaged in your own content, which for me, it makes me think about my content more, and it makes me kind of want to do better the next time. It keeps me engaged in my own YouTube channel growth. Morning Fame is just, it's such an interesting way to look at your videos, look at your channel, to look at your future videos, and there's almost this kind of gamification sense to it with the badges and the check marks and stuff like that. And it's really affordable. It's like $4 a month after the 30-day free trial, and I think there may still be a requirement to have an invite code to join. You can actually use my code, which is VidProMom. Just type that into the invite code box, and then you'll get 30 days free, and I'll get 30 days free. But I already bought a yearly subscription, so it doesn't really matter. I just want to make sure you have an invite code if you want to check it out. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Check out Morning Fame. It's really cool, and it's so affordable. It's perfect for beginners, and if you're not a beginner, just like get the 30-day free trial so you can just log in and see what it all looks like. It's so interesting. And let me know in the comments if it blows your mind as well. If you're a visual person, I think it will. But let me know in the comments. Smash that like button on your way out, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.